Yeah, I'm Gunnar Berger. I'm heading the open banking department at Nordea. Been with the bank for many years. I've been with this assignment since 2016, so all the way actually. And I expect to continue in this. My present focus is very much on the transition from PSD2 to PSD3 and then onwards to open finance. I was very active, at conferences and so on back in 2017-18. Then it has been a bit of just developing and delivering. But now it's with these new regulations coming and expected a bit of a turmoil in the market, then it's interesting to go out and again meet the industry, talk, be sure you know the needs and requirements of the ones that you will deliver to and so on. So therefore I'm here today, you could say. Well, very close to me. It's very much the change in the banking industry. I mean, technology in the banking industry, especially then in cash management and payments where I've been, comes in waves. And you could say every 10th year there is a breakthrough. I saw the breakthrough when the banking first came out of the branch offices and home to people. First it came to corporates in form of terminals, and then in the 90s it came to the smaller corporates to their PCs and so on through modem connections. So people could actually do banking from their desktops, and then in the 2000s, the banking actually came to your mobile, so you could carry the bank around. And what we see now is the next step, where the banking will actually come to whatever channel you prefer to be in. You don't have to go to the bank's sort of proprietary channel. The bank will come to you. That is the next step. And for that, the technology is immensely important to make that happen, especially then the API-based technology. Well, I think that the big change is actually, so initially, for the first 10 years, it has been a very strong focus from fintechs on services for personal customers. But you know that everything that comes digital is expected to come for free for personal customers. If fintechs want to really earn money on their business, they need to go for the corporates. They need to go for business banking, and that is also what we are seeing now. What is happening in the market, and that is very exciting, I think, because then we will see a lot of new products, solutions, and we will see profitable business cases that can survive also a recession. Yeah, but I think the keynote speech, the first company that told about a very small, but for them very profitable niche, because they were more or less alone in it. That's super exciting, I think, because seeing 100 fintechs going for exactly the same business, that is a bit frustrating, because they are spending their time on eating on each other's cake, you could say. So seeing someone that has actually found something where they are alone, unique, and they deliver something that wasn't delivered before, that's innovation for me. Oh, yeah, most of them are dead actually, unfortunately. I mean, my absolute favorite would have been Nelson Mandela, okay. Always, but otherwise, I'm not sure who I would take. I would probably go to the US, even though I think that USA in many senses from a banking perspective are 10 years behind us in Europe. There's also something there. It happens, among the smaller companies, among the fintech. We really like to see it close by, That would be super interesting. Even going then to Silicon Valley, even though it's a bit of a, turmoil there now. So, but maybe when the next boom comes, well,